Easy keto lunches to stay on plan anywhere. What do you do when restaurant food offers no good options for your keto lunch? You make one of these easy keto lunches and bring it to work the next day. It's a great way to eat better, save money, and stay on the plan. Some of these recipes do contain dairy, so please keep in mind that they could be modified in case you're keto-paleo and sensitive to dairy. Salads and sandwiches. Beastie Bunless Burger by the Nourished Caveman. Low Carb Southern Chicken Salad by Fluffy Chick Cooks. Flat Iron Steak Salad by Peace Love and Low Carb. Egg Salad Sandwiches by Maria Body Mind. Fennel Walnut Chicken Salad by All Day I Dream About Food. Keto Caesar Salad by the Nourished Caveman. Paleo Stuffed Avocado by Keto Diet Tap. Pesto Chicken Salad by Peace Love and Low Carb. Smoked Chicken Salad Sandwich by Maria Body Mind. Steak and Chimichurri Salad by Fluffy Chick Cooks. Easy Bites. Banh Mi Meatballs by I Breathe I Am Hungry. Crispy Flourless Crab Cakes by Carb Wars. Easy Low Carb Sushi by Whole New Mom. Flatbread by Carb Wars. Low Carb Sushi by Jess LCHF. Low Carb Pizza by the Nourished Caveman. Meat Muffins by the Nourished Caveman. Pesto Egg Muffins by Keto Diet Tap. Pork and Egg Pie by Keto Diet Tap. Easy Chicken Liver Pate by the Nourished Caveman. Warm Up. Chicken Broccoli Casserole by Grass-Fed Girl. Easy Foil Chicken by Fluffy Chick Cooks. Fiesta Lime Chicken Chowder by No Bun Please. Thai Zoodle Soup by All Day I Dream About Food. Thai Coconut Soup by the Nourished Caveman.